Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a map that's blank. You can start on the home screen or really any map screen at all and use this button right here. It follows you around. Create a new map. If you're on the home screen, you can click Create New Map. Clicking Create New Map will give you this dialog box. Simply name your map. You can add a description if you wish, or just click Continue. Now to start blank, you'll go to your bottom left and click that Start Blank button. And you're right into your map. Now here's what you can start doing. You can add markers to your map, and that will give you the ability to place a marker wherever you'd like or input address information. When you create a blank map, you're going to have a data set kind of pre-set up for you. So the column headers we give you are location name, address, city, state, province, postal code, and country. So if you choose to add them by address, you have that ability because we've started you off the best way possible with the data. You can also start using any of the tools, zoom in wherever you'd like, and this is how you start with a blank map. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.